In primetime news this evening, men accused of hijacking St. Thomas Road construction site speak out.
Police in St. Catherine clamp down on student loitering.
And later, taxi operators in St. James stage protest. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Dwayne Anderson.
And I'm Janella Precious. Welcome, Dwayne. Coming up with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, consumer prices rose by 0.3% in August when compared to the prices in July. Plus, we'll tell you what investors had to say later in the business day.
And today's Monday, so we have a preview of what's to come in sports.
I was hoping to hear welcome Ronaldo, you know. Well, it was a mixed bag for Jamaican athletes at the World Athletics Championships on day 3 as medal prospect and 8th in sprint hurdles final, and Xavier Gilbert enjoying life at Montego Bay United as a former champions go top of the Jamaica Premier League. We'll tell you all about that and more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you so much, Renardo. And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, we do have a tropical wave that is expected across the area tomorrow. Slight increase in showers and thunderstorms across the area. Slight increase in wind speeds as well. I'll tell you what happens afterward in the weather report and forecast.
Now, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what are your thoughts on Jamaica's performance so far at the World Championships?
Share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjamaica_jam1. I do feel that we are probably short of 1 medal at this stage. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.